Hi guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we're going to solve the problem delete a node in a linked list. You are given the pointer to the head node of a linked list and the position of a node to delete. Delete the node at a given position and return the head node. A position of 0 indicates head, a position of 1 indicates one node away from the head, and so on. The list may become empty after you delete the node. It means if the linked list has only single element means if we delete the node, we can return none. But if we solve the general case, it will automatically solve the corner test case too. Okay, let's see the constraints. Here n can go up to 1000 and the number in the linked list can also go up to 1000. So the integers are also small. We don't need to worry about the constraints here. Let's check some examples. Here we have one examples. In this particular linked list, we have 8 elements in the beginning and we have to delete the node at 3. So this is the linked list at the initial stage. Now we have to delete the third element. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to delete 19. So for this problem, the logic is quite simple. We will just skip the connection of this node. 2 dot next will be 7. So we can make a connection like 2 dot next equals 7. Like that we can make the connection and skip this 19. In Python, it will automatically collect the garbage variables or unused variables. So we don't need to specifically delete that particular node. We can just skip the connection in order to delete the node. Okay, let's solve the problem now. First, we will solve the corner test case. That is, position is head pointer. Position is head. If position equals 0, we will skip the head pointer now. So if we consider this example, the position is 0 is 20. So head dot next is 6. We will assign head equals head dot next. So 6 will be the head pointer. So this is one case. Now we have to go for the general case. Else, we will create a temporary variable to do the operations. Temp equals head. Initialize a count variable. Count equals 1. Now we have to traverse to the particular position. While temp not equals none and count less than position. So the loop will continue until it reaches the null pointer or it reaches the particular position. Inside the while loop, we will move to the next pointer, that is temp equals temp dot next, and increment the count by 1. Count plus equals 1. It will move to the next pointer until the while loop breaks. That means if it reaches the end of the linked list or it reaches the particular position. So when it reaches the particular position, we need to delete the node. Delete the node. So that will be temp.next equals, so in this case, 2 will be pointing to temp. So 2.next equals temp.next.next. Temp.next.next. That means 2.next is 19. 19.next is 7. So we will assign 7 to the next pointer of 2. And this 19 will be automatically deleted. Okay, after assigning the node, finally we have to return the head pointer. Return head. So this is the whole logic of the problem. Initially, we are checking for the corner test case, that is position equals 0. If the condition satisfies, we will assign the head pointer to the next node of the head, or else we will go for the general case, that is, we need to go to the particular position of the linked list, and after reaches the particular position, we will skip that particular node. That means it will be automatically deleted. Okay, let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. Stay tuned for the next video.